Hello kids, welcome back to your EVS class. This is Ankita Srivastav again with the same topic, the word of plants. Let's begin the class. Children, as I have already taught you some of the topics of this chapter. In my last video, I have explained some of the parts of a plant. Now I'll proceed with some other parts of the plant. Children, now I'll tell you about thorns. Some plants have thorns. The thorns protect the plant from being eaten by animals like cactus, lemon, rose. Children, all these plants have thorns. Now the next part is flower. Flowers grow from the stem of the plant. They have seeds or turn into a fruit with seeds. Clear, children? Now, next part of the plant is fruit. Children, do you love fruits? I know you all love fruits. Children, fruits come out from flowers. Fruits are the tasty stuff on the stems. They are very colorful. A fruit may contain one or more seeds. Now, the last part of the plant is seed. Seeds live inside the fruit. Most plants grow from the seeds. Some fruits have one seed while some have many seeds. Some seeds are big while some are small. I think now you all must have understood the parts of the plant. At last, I'll tell you about the uses of plants. Children, we use plants in various ways. Plants give us food and other useful things. Plants give us oxygen and keep the air fresh and clean. Plants give us food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. We eat different parts of the plant as vegetable like root, stem, leaves, fruits, and flowers. We eat roots of some plants like carrot, radish, beetroot, and sweet potato as vegetables. We eat stems of some plants like potato, ginger, and onion as vegetables. Children, we also eat leaves of some plants like cabbage, lettuce, and spinach like vegetables. We eat flowers of some plants like cauliflower and broccoli as vegetables. Children, we use cereals to make flour. Cereals and pulses are also called food grains. Children, plants also give us wood. We get wood from trees like shisham, walnut, pine, and teak. Children, we use wood to make doors, tables, chairs, cupboard, sofa, bed, etc. Plants give us medicines like neem, tulsi, mint, and amla give us medicines. Children, we also get oil from the seeds of plants like mustard, sunflower, and coconut. We use oil for cooking and oiling the hair. I think now it's clear to all that how plants are useful to us. That's it for today, children. Read chapter 12 and do the exercise in EVS LR. And children must watch the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye, children.